In today's industrial and technological environments, where sensitive electronics are prevalent, ESD, electrostatic discharge, flooring plays a crucial role in controlling static electricity. ESD PVC flooring tiles manufactured by Y.H.F Floors, a China factory, are designed to meet strict industry standards and certifications, ensuring both performance and reliability. The anti-static vinyl flooring tiles manufactured by Y.H.F Floors meet FloorScore and certified with low TVOC emissions. The ESD tiles made in China by Y.H.F Floors are phthalate-free, and conform with life safety NFPA 101/2012. The static tiles produced by Y.H.F Floors have a full set of SGS test reports for TVOC, RoHS, and other properties, such as dimensional stability, color fastness to light, fire classification, determination of residual indentation, slip resistance, migration of certain elements. We can provide samples for more testing and certificates in your country.